Welcome to the vlog today, guys. I'm still at the farm, and it's windy and cold, and I've already been riding a four-wheeler this morning. Y'all probably wonder why you ride it, because I washed it yesterday, but I don't care. And so it's parked right now, and so I'm going to be doing some water bottle flips edition in place when I get back home tonight. I'm going to be doing some water bottle trick shots at the house, and it'll be in a separate video, but y'all might get some personal vids in this vlog right here. So I'm gonna hang out right quick, and I'll see y'all when I get back to the house. Okay guys, I'm back, and change of plans. I'm not leaving right now. I might be a little bit, and so I'm heading down to the barn to feed and look at the puppies still. And so I'll see y'all when we get down to the barn. Okay guys, I just got down to the barn, and this is gonna be like a little farm tour. Okay, here's our pens right here. With our cows. Horses up there. Dogs, chickens. And so here's all of our hay right here. Hay and everything. Here's where the puppies lay. I got 3 of them. The mom, dad. The mom's name is Oreo, and the dad's name is Rascal. So, yeah, so we have to load our cows up into the pen up here. I can see them. That's where all of our chickens and stuff are. Right here. Chickens. And we have rabbits. And things right here. Rabbits. Y'all can see them. Here's some chickens right here too. Those two are fighting chickens. I don't know what these are called. We got pigs too right here. Get out here and get them. Move, yo. Get. So here they are, right there. We have turkeys too. We got piglets too. We got piglets right there. Y'all can see them. Right there. And so it's gonna be in the farm tour. That's mostly all we have, and y'all seen my bull riding pen yesterday. And so I'll see y'all when we get done feeding. Okay guys, I just got done feeding, and I'm gonna head to the house here in a little bit, and I'll see y'all at the house. Okay guys, I just got back home, and so change of plans. I'm not gonna be epic water bottle trick shots. I'm gonna be doing the try not to laugh challenge, and I'll see y'all when we get everything set up. Okay guys, I am back, and I just got done, and I got my desk going right here with my computer. And so I'm going to get started, and so push and pause. And if I doesn't, I gotta choke. If I laugh, I gotta choke all this. It's about like right there. Take your time. I think that's it. Okay.
Suck my ass, okay? What's going on, guys? I'm doing a following. Shut up, Voldemort, you idiot. Fuck off, Harry. Following spree. Nigga, you a wizard. Hi, Stewie Griffin, and I'm at Hogwarts to make wizardry sexy. You're a wizard, Harry. I also take photos of you while you're do that?
Quidditch!
Quidditch?
I'm not brave, smart, or evil. I would be a Hufflepuff.
Robbie? Is that you?
You almost ready? 1 second, dude. You don't even need those anymore. I'm well aware, Ron. But the underclassmen do not know that. So, let's fucking go.
Why can't I go to sleep? Perhaps I could help.
Right hand over the broom and say up.
You're a Hizzard, Wary. Those aren't the lines. Dang it,
This is not funny at all.
Pass me the smoking wand? Bro, Victus card and see what happens.
Sorry guys, my computer is acting up, so I'll be back with y'all when it's not acting up. Okay guys, I am back and I finally got it working, so let's do this.
And here we have the no-headed camel.
God dang it.
A rare camel with no head.
Okay. I got it. Get it, buddy. Go get it.
Now I'm gonna put this
charged up.
in my mouth and try not to laugh. If I do spit it out, it's going bad.
I got broads in Atlanta. She's a pretty in the family. Credit cards and stuff.
Okay, get another drink. Cat's too fat for itself. Okay guys, none of that was funny pretty much, but this is gonna be the vlog, and I'll see y'all next time.
The city, you know what it is. Bread when the business, put that on the real. 2 phones, one for the plug and one for the load. I got 2.